Motorola Debuts Edge 60 Fusion, the first smartphone with Dimensity 7400 processor. As scheduled, Motorola has launched the Edge 60 Fusion in India, making it the first smartphone to launch in the Edge 60 series. The phone starts at $22,999 $269 United States dollars and features a curved OLED panel that's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. It is also the first smartphone to debut with the recently launched MediaTek Dimensity 7400 processor. Motorola Edge 60 Fusion features. The Edge 60 Fusion comes with a MIL-STD810H certified body, passing 16 military-grade tests. It can operate in extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius and resist up to 95% humidity. The phone is also IP68 and IP69 rated, ensuring dust-tight sealing and immersion in water beyond 1 meter, along with protection against high-pressure, high-temperature water jets. The phone features a 6.7-inch 1.5K curved 10-bit POLED display with Pantone-validated colors, HDR10+, 120Hz refresh rate, 360Hz touch sampling rate, and peak brightness up to 4500 nits up to 1400 nits in HBM. As already mentioned, the display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, and it also has an in-display fingerprint sensor. Under the hood, the smartphone has a MediaTek Dimensity 7400 nanometers processor, paired with up to 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. On the software front, it comes with Android 15 out of the box, with Motorola committing to 3 years of OS updates and 3 years of security patches. The phone is equipped with a 5500 mAh battery and supports 68 West turbo power fast charging. Other features include Dolby Atmos stereo speakers, an in-display fingerprint sensor, USB-C audio, hybrid dual SIM support, 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC. For optics, it has a 50MP main camera Sony Lydia 700C at 1.88, 1.0 micrometers ultra-pixel OIS quad PDAF, a 13MP ultra-wide camera 125 macro vision f 2.2, 1.12 micrometers PDAF, and a 3-in-1 light sensor for ambient light, flicker reduction, and RGB detection. The front camera is a 3.2MP sensor at 2.2, 0.7 micrometers quad pixel. For video, the rear main camera supports 4K UHD at 30 fps, FHD at 60/30 fps, and slow motion FHD 120 fps, HD to 4 fps. The ultra-wide macro camera records in 4K UHD 30 fps and FHD 30 fps. The front camera supports 4K UHD 30 fps and FHD 60/30 fps. Video features include stabilization, video snapshot, audio zoom, external mic support, time-lapse, slow motion, portrait video, dual capture, macro, and spot color. Pricing and availability. It will be available in 3 colors: Pantone Slipstream, Zephyr, and Amazonite. The 8GB plus 256GB model is priced at $22,999 $269 United States dollars, while the 12GB plus 256GB model costs $24,999. Sales begin on April 9, 2025, at 12 p.m. via Flipkart, Motorola.in, Reliance Digital, and other retail stores.